The Nothing Phone 2A Plus, released in 2024, builds upon its predecessor, the Phone 2A, with notable enhancements in performance and camera capabilities. Here's an overview of its key features. The back features a transparent Gorilla Glass panel, revealing subtle internal components and LEDs as part of the glyph interface. Enhanced LED strips provide notifications, charging status, and custom effects, making it visually striking and functional. The device is certified to withstand splashes and dust, making it more durable for everyday use. The phone's slightly curved edges and balanced weight distribution make it comfortable to hold for extended periods. The Nothing Phone 2A Plus features a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2412 by 1084 pixels, resulting in a pixel density of approximately 400 ppi. The adaptive 120 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and responsive interactions, enhancing the overall user experience. The display achieves a maximum brightness of 959 nits, providing clear visibility even under direct sunlight. The screen offers vibrant and accurate colors, making it suitable for media consumption and gaming. The Nothing Phone 2A Plus is a mid-range smartphone that builds upon its predecessor, the Phone 2A, with notable enhancements in performance and design. The device is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7350 Pro 5G chipset, exclusive to Nothing, promising a 10% performance boost over the Dimensity 7200 Pro found in the standard Phone 2A. In Antutu benchmarks, the Phone 2A Plus delivers competitive performance within its price range, comparable to devices like the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus with its Dimensity 7200 Ultra chipset. The 50MP main camera delivers detailed images with natural colors in well-lit conditions. Low-light performance is commendable, maintaining detail and minimizing noise. The 50MP ultra-wide camera captures expansive scenes with good detail and dynamic range. It performs well in various lighting conditions, though some edge softness may occur. The 50MP front-facing camera offers high-resolution selfies with good detail and dynamic range in well-lit environments. However, it may exhibit blurring and detail loss in low-light conditions. It comes equipped with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, facilitating smooth multitasking in ample space for apps and media. The smartphone houses a 5000 mAh battery, ensuring longevity for daily use. It supports 50W fast charging, achieving approximately 40% charge in 15 minutes, over 70% in 30 minutes, and a full charge in just under an hour. Pros: unique transparent design with glyph interface. Smooth 120 Hz AMOLED display. Powerful MediaTek Dimensity 7350 Pro chipset. Fast 50W charging and long-lasting 5000 mAh battery. Cons: limited camera capabilities in low-light conditions. Lacks wireless charging support. No official IP rating for water resistance. Conclusion: the Nothing Phone 2A Plus presents a compelling package with its unique design, enhanced performance, and improved camera system, all at a competitive price point. While it shares similarities with the Phone 2A, the upgrades make it a noteworthy consideration for those seeking a distinctive mid-range smartphone experience.